Okay, this video is about drawing reflections. But before we talk about that, in order to draw reflections, first thing you have to know is how to draw a perpendicular line through a point. So, let's say that we have a line, and we want to draw a line perpendicular to this line through this point. Okay, here's what we do. The first step is to draw an arc that intersects this line twice. So we're going to put our compass on the point and swing our compass, make an arc, and we want the arc to intersect the line 2 times. Trying to make it nice and dark. Okay, so now we're going to put our compass on the marks we just made and make an X. Okay, and so when we connect this X to the point that we have, we'll have our perpendicular line. There we go. And it is perpendicular. Good. So now that you know how to do that, let's talk about drawing reflections. Okay, so let's say that we want to reflect this rectangle over the line. When you're drawing a reflection, we know that reflection is a transformation across the line such that the point that it moves to needs to be equal distance on the other side of the line, and the line here needs to be perpendicular to the reflection line. So first thing we're going to do is draw a perpendicular line, then we'll find an equal distance on that line, and that will be our reflection point. So let's start with our perpendicular line. So, okay. An arc on either side. Okay, and we're going to put our pencil on the marks we just made and make an X. And when we connect that X back to the point, we have a perpendicular. But we're not just drawing perpendicular, we want to do the reflection. Reflection is 2 things. One, it's perpendicular. Second, the distance needs to be equal. So let's just check the distance on one side with our compass and mark the same distance on the other side. Alright. Okay, so continuing to reflect each of the corners, each of the vertices over the line. Let's do this one next. We're going to need to open our protractor way up. Okay. Close it a little bit. Okay. Okay, and now that I have all 4 points drawn, I just need to connect those 4 points to see my new rectangle. And that, my friends, is how we draw a reflection over a line. Great job.